Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to prepare restaurant style medu vada in a much healthier way. These vadas are crispy, tasty and so much better than restaurant vadas. These vadas are delicious, crispy and crunchy, which is nice and crispy and golden on the outside and nice and soft from the inside. They're easy to make at home, super crispy, tasty and healthy. So without wasting much time, let's quickly get started with the recipe. So into a bowl, I am adding in 1 cup of urad dal, I'm adding in few peppercorns. I'm also adding in 1 tablespoon of raw rice. Now I'm going to add in some water and I'm going to rinse urad dal a couple of times and then I'm going to add some more water and let it soak for about 5 to 6 hours. So 6 hours later, urad dal is well soaked. I'm going to add it to my blender jar. So into my blender jar, I am adding in soaked and rinsed urad dal. Make sure before adding you drain out entire water from the urad dal. Into the same blender jar, I am adding in about an inch ginger which is finely chopped. I am also adding in salt. Lastly, I am going to add cumin seeds. Grind to a nice fine batter. Do not add too much water at a time. Add very little water. Basically, the batter has to be nice and thick. Now you can see that the batter is at its right consistency. Let it rest for about 20 minutes. Guys, don't miss out this step as resting makes the batter fluffy and vadas turn out to be very crispy. 20 minutes later, now the batter is nice, thick and fluffy. I'm adding in few chopped fresh coconut and I'm even adding chopped chilies into it. Give it a nice mix. You can see that batter is at its right consistency. It is very nice, thick and fluffy. Now into a kadai, heat some oil, tap your fingers with water, take small portion of the batter and slowly slide into the hot oil. Repeat the same process for rest of the vadas. Stir occasionally on medium flame. Once they turn golden brown, take them out to a serving plate. Enjoy these delicious crispy and crunchy medu vadas with coconut chutney and sambar. These vadas are nice and crispy and golden on the outside, nice and soft from the inside. Guys, try this recipe and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. And if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you are notified on my new post. Until next video, take care. Bye bye.